Yan po, naglalagay sila ng talim ng grader. Ito ay Caterpillar 16M3 modelo. Ito yung reefer, nagbubungkal ng lupa. And these two guys are the master of installer of the blade. They import from India. So if you want them to know their contact, please leave a comment. This is Murthy, the senior mechanic here in Southwest. What happened, Mr. Murthy? So what is the thick of your blade? The thickness of this one? Oh, so you do the actual. Okay. It's 3.5 centimeter, yeah? Yeah. Oh, see? How many length before you will change the blade? Like
25 centimeter.
25 centimeter.
It's 120.
120, yeah? Okay. So how many inches before, how many centimeter before you will change this one? Until it will,
15.
until 15. So 15, according to him, after 15 centimeter, you need to change the blade. So like how many years? How many hours? How many hours? There's an hours on the motor grader. If they reach that one, then they will change the blade. Okay. So ikakabit na yung pangalawang blade. So hindi pala siya isang buong blade. So half-half siya. Kaya pag nasobrahan, nabali yung kabila, pwedeng tanggalin lang yung kalahati. Yan. Operate lang siya ng napakadelikadong trabaho yan, no? Baka maipit yung kamay. Kasi halos hindi nila madakot. Kasi ang bigat niyan. 50 kilos yan o mahigit pa. Kasi nakita nyo naman. Sigurado ko, normally dito na aksidente, napuputulan ng kamay. Kasi hindi maangat ng isang tao. Sobrang bigat. Mano-mano lang to. Mano-mano. Hindi niya kayang yalsa, oh. So more than 50 kilos to. More than, oh wow. So, be careful, be careful. Oh. Yun, sinasabi ko. Napakatindi. Grabe, grabe. Grabe, grabe. Kaya di nga ako tumutulong, baka maputol ang kamay ko. Nanonood lang, nanonood. Delikado yan, oh. Dudulas, dudulas. Pagka dumulas, manumano nilang nilalagay yung bolt para mahigpitan na. So ayan, delikado yan, no? Napakadelikadong trabaho.